Now let's run through the answers of this test, and you can compare your answers to mine.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
So hopefully you have gone ahead and did the exercise from the previous video. If you haven't, stop watching this, go back, do the exercise from the previous video, because this is going to lose a lot of the point if you haven't done the previous exercise, at least for a few of the keywords, if not all of them. So that was my warning. Now I'm going to go over the exercise answers. So how do I see this word? When somebody types in cleaning, first of all, for us, we don't know what this person wants, the ambiguous intent. We don't know. But I went ahead and I typed it into Google, and Google gave me the results as though I was looking for local cleaning services, like some kind of a maid to come to my home and clean my home. So that's what Google thought it was. So if you're trying to rank for this, you should be a local cleaning business with maids that come to people's homes. Otherwise, this is not the keyword for you. That's the only reason to rank for this keyword, is if you're a local service actually doing the cleaning. Same thing with cleaner. Ambiguous, almost the same situation. Now, keyword how to clean, this person is not buying. We know that they want to learn to clean. We don't know if they want to learn to clean a bathroom or garage or their car or a motorcycle or a sidewalk or a spaceship. I know spaceship is funny, but like we equally don't know. So there's not enough in this search. If it was something like how to clean a bathroom tile, we would know exactly how to show them that. But we don't know what they want, so it's very ambiguous keyword, not really great. But when you start making how-to articles, so this is not a person who's ready to buy, but if they can consume your how-to article on cleaning, you can upsell them on, hey, well, here's how to clean and now buy my cleaning products. The problem with that upsell is it has a very, very small sales conversion, because the person doesn't want to buy a product, they just want to learn to clean. So their intent is different. And is it difficult to rank? Yeah, it's difficult to rank for this. A lot of content, there's a lot of cleaning content out there. And you need long tail keywords like how to clean the bathroom, how to clean bathroom tile, how to clean specific things, and then you can create a YouTube video, create an article about it that will rank in Google search if you know exactly what they want to clean. And a lot of this tips, when people are looking for cleaning tips, that's not really good for sales. That's more for general content. But at some point, when you are already ranking for all your direct sales keywords, and when you've got that under control, or at least have that heading in the right direction, you can start a YouTube channel or a blog where you regularly create content about how to do this kind of cleaning, and you can create different content every week, and you can grow a brand, and you can get a lot of exposure. So regular content is good for branding, good for a lot of traffic, not necessarily people who buy stuff now, but those are traffic whose email you can collect and who can maybe buy later. So that's the tips, the information is really good. Also in cleaning, you don't necessarily create a book or a course on this, but any other informational search has potential for, hey, this can go on Amazon, or this can go on Udemy as a course, or Amazon as a book. So when you have when you have learning intent, then that opens up, hey, maybe there's a book in there somewhere, maybe there's a course in there somewhere, and you can create that and sell that potentially, possibly. Now, cleaning solution, very ambiguous. And when I searched Google, Google actually showed local results, meaning it was very similar to these searches, cleaning or cleaner. So it's not really helpful. Now, cleaning product, that's interesting. It's an ambiguous product. We don't know which kind of product they want. Do they want a brush? Do they want a spray? Do they want something with chemicals or not? Has to be more specific. But it does have the buying intent. This is a person who's looking for buying products. It's difficult to rank, but it would be worthwhile to rank on Amazon if we knew what they want to clean. Cleaning tool, okay, it's a little more specific. Maybe there's a brush, maybe it's a scrubbing thing. Again, buying intent, a little bit too ambiguous. We need long tail keywords. Water cleaning tool for what? Maybe the name of a tool, like a brush or a mop or something else, or a bucket. That would be amazing. Those would be the keywords we need here. Now, here I have a more detailed keyword. Just like we needed more keywords, a more specific one, I created a more specific one. So toilet cleaning spray. Now we know they want to spray, and now we know they want to clean the toilet. If we have that product that fits this description, this is a fantastic thing to rank for, because it's something that can be used in every household in America or the world. Multi-million dollar for this, obviously, or maybe billion-dollar industry worldwide, and we gotta grab a piece of this. Now, it has buying intent. They want to buy the spray. It's easier to rank for than these very short keywords, but it's still really difficult to rank for. But it's very worthwhile to try to rank for this on Amazon or Google, because guess what? These are extremely lucrative keywords. This keyword alone can make $1 million business if you rank for it, just because it's so many people rank for it, so many people search this, and people buy from this keyword. So you see how a small difference in the keywords really makes a big difference in results. Really big difference, and a really big difference in what you decide to focus on with your business. Now, if I go longer on the keywords, non-toxic, child-safe, toilet cleaning spray, then we know it even more of exactly what they want. And now if our product still fits this description, it's easier to rank for this than this one, than this search, because it's longer and more specific. There's less products we compete with, and it's definitely still very worthwhile to rank for. It's a big business in there. So in your case, you have to identify the long tail keywords and really rank for them on commerce platforms, if indeed you have a commerce product. That's the keywords for the cleaning. Now let's do the t-shirt. T-shirts are also e-commerce, but a little different. When people search for a t-shirt, it's really ambiguous. I mean, mostly people are looking to buy, but we have no idea what kind of shirts do they want. Do they want tank tops? Do they want just regular white t-shirts? Do they want some kind of fancy t-shirt? Do they want a t-shirt with a picture for kids, for women? We don't know that. But if you rank for this one word on Amazon, there's a big business in that for you. Of course, it's very difficult to rank for that one. Now, a keyword like t-shirt design, they just want to learn how to design the shirt, or tools or something. They just want designs. They don't want to buy our shirt. So this is not for us if we're actually selling t-shirts. So we would avoid this keyword. By the way, where did I get a lot of these keywords for the t-shirt? I actually literally got it from the Google keyword tool. These are some of the most highly searched ones. Now, design your own t-shirt. We only want to rank for this if we actually allow other people to design their shirts. If we don't allow that option, we want to ignore the search. It's not for us. We can't satisfy the person, the customer. If we do allow people to design their shirts, then guess what? This is actually a very competitive space. Any shop out there, t-shirt printing shop, can help people design their own shirts, and many people offer this. And so it's a very competitive keyword to rank for. So I'd explore this further, because I don't know if it's possible to rank for this on Google very easily. Now, designer shirts, that's interesting, right? We know that this is a direct sales intent. People want to buy designer t-shirts. What we don't know is, do they want to buy the top designer in the world, or do they want to buy up and coming, or we don't really know. It's still a little bit too ambiguous still, but it's still a big keyword that it's maybe worthwhile to attempt to rank for it, because it can be quite lucrative. Custom t-shirt, same thing as design your own t-shirt. If we can provide custom t-shirts, that's great. If we cannot, we cannot rank. There's no point trying to rank for the custom t-shirt keyword if no. Now, going a little longer on the keywords, men's shirts eliminates half the t-shirts out there, right? So right away, it's still ambiguous, but it's slightly easier to rank for on Google and Amazon. Buy a t-shirt. We know that much more that this is only people who want to buy stuff. That's great, but it's ambiguous what kind of t-shirt they want, and obviously it's difficult to rank for. Now, when we go super long tail, because the problem with this whole space of t-shirts, it's very, very easy business to get into, which means there's a tremendous level of competition. And that's why a lot of times we want to go long tail on the keywords. We want to maybe target the materials, the colors. Is it for kids, women, or men? What kind of, is it leopard print, giraffe print? Is there some kind of a theme, like maybe a Pokemon t-shirt, right? So we have to go very long tail on the keywords to have a chance to rank on that. Also, people might search for cheap t-shirts under $10, under $20. And these are definitely, people are buying these shirts, right? They're shopping, so they're really good leads. There's less of those leads, but they're really good leads because they know exactly what they want. There's not a lot of competitors that we have. And as long as we can provide this, it's fantastic to rank for that. So it's the lowest demand. There's not a lot of people searching, but the conversion rate of people coming to our site and converting to actual buyers is the highest, and it's the easiest to rank. So this is a fantastic place to start if you're in a super competitive space. So now I hope these answers to this exercise really made things clear of how my mental process is. You kind of got a glimpse into my brain, how I perceive them, and then how I base my marketing decisions on what to rank for and what not to rank for, and where and how, and everything in between, of how I approach these keywords from now on.